we will discuss about pH scale. pH is the potence of hydrogen. It explains hydrogen ion concentration in a given substance. pH scale starts from 0 to 14 and 7 is a neutral, 0 to 7 is acidic, 7 to 14 is basic. And in this we have strong acids, weak base and strong base. Okay. We will discuss about pH of soil. For that we need to collect 2 soil samples from different places and pour 200 ml of water in each beaker. Okay, pour the water and stir it, leave it for some time. Then collect the sample water from one soil into a test tube and add universal pH indicator. That the soil we collected is a little bit strong, basic in nature. This is acidic in nature and this is basic in nature. 2 soils which we collected from different places. To neutralize this one, we need to add bases so that the soil attains neutrality. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.